This question caught a few of you off guard, so let's just have a look at this from the start. So in the first instance here, we are asked to find the inverse function for f of x. So we've got our function y equals x minus 5 cubed. So we can then switch the x and the y around. So x equals y minus 5 all cubed. So therefore we can say that y minus 5 is going to be equal to the cubed root of x. So y equals the cubed root of x plus 5. And that is going to be our inverse function, so the cubed root of x plus 5. In part B, it says there's a second function g, such that the composite function f of g of x equals 8x to the power 6, and we're then asked to find g of x. So here we've got a function g of x, which we are trying to find. And that function has been applied to f. So we've taken f of g of x to get 8x squared. To find g of x, then, we need to undo the effect of f of x. And that can be done by using the inverse function that we found in part A. So our inverse function f of x equals the cubed root of x plus 5. What we want to do is undo this function here. So we want the inverse of 8x to the power 6. So that is going to be the cubed root of 8x to the power 6 plus 5, which we can write as the cubed root of 8, which is going to be 2, multiplied by x to the power 6 to the power a third for the cubed root. So all we've done here is just recognize that using surds, I can separate this effectively as the cubed root of 8 multiplied by the cube root of x6. That's what I've done there. So this I can do in my head. This I'm just simplifying, x to the power 6 all to the power a third plus 5. And then when if we have x to the 6, and that is itself to an exponent, we just multiply these out such that I am left with 2x squared plus 5.